Good day, everyone. Good day to our Physib Professor, Professor Darwin Tanchin, to our Physib Advisors, Professor Jerry Badillo and Professor Rowena Rosales, to the panelists, Professor Melvin Marcelo, Professor Jano San Jose, and Professor Eureka Cannon, and also to the chairperson, Professor Maria Nerissa Janet Erezo. We are the Group 7 Rice Express from BSHM-3D. The proponents are I, Maya Alyssa Molar, Ms. Merylou C, Ms. Julianna Mae U, Ferrer, Ms. Esther Joy Inguito, and Ms. Kwinie Joy Paculan. To start out, the Chapter 1 will be discussed by Ms. Merylou C.
I'm Merylou C and I'm going to discuss the Chapter 1 of Rice Express. The product is inspired by Japanese onigiri, which is rice ball. Ms. Julianna Ferrer proposed that the company name include the word rice as it best described the product. Ms. Maya Alyssa Molar partnered the Express with rice because the product's main goal is to provide convenience and quick service. It is best suited to the rice ball because Express refers to how quickly and easily something can be made. Vision: to be one of the top lucrative rice bowl businesses in the food industry, providing exceptional customer service and freshly made products to give pleasure to every customer's satisfaction and comfort. Mission: to produce rice balls utilizing only natural ingredients, quality, fresh ingredients, and a uniquely Filipino taste signature. Rice Express guarantees its customers freshly made products and provide quality customer service. The business aims to provide customers with products that are both quality and convenient. Product logo: the proponents selected a logo design that accurately describes the product and created the concept of minimalist logo. The banana leaf was chosen as a partial wrap for the logo. When it comes to food, the color green has virtually become synonymous with good health and well-being. It also indicates that the product uses natural ingredients. The product name is black and bold to make it easy to read. The Rice Express is located at 31A Mabini Street, Kapasigan, Pasig City, Metro Manila. The initial capital for the company is 120,000, to which members each contribute 24,000. The proponents use their savings and allowances. Product description: the adobo flakes are slightly brown, salty with a little bit of sourness and sweetness. Each burger patty weighs 40 grams. Ground beef has a light iron aroma. Cooking it releases hundreds of compounds that contribute to flavor that create a good taste of beef. Gravy is used to add flavor to burger steaks. Fried rice is a dish made up of cooked rice that has been stir-fried in a wok or frying pan that contains eggs and mixed veggies. Next presenter, please.
Thank you. I am Julianna Mae Ferrer and I will discuss the Chapter 2, Marketing Aspect. Next slide, please. Market Research. The proponents conducted research in Pasig City barangays, including Kapasigan, Santo Tomas, and San Nicolas. As shown on the table, the total population of 3 barangays is 21,198. The proponents use a method called convenience sampling for retail and quota sampling for wholesale. Next slide, please. Summary of respondents for retail and wholesale. For retail, the Rice Express obtained 400 respondents, including 57 employees, 17 self-employed, 14 unemployed, and 312 students. In terms of wholesale, the respondents are 200, including 26 convenience store, 75 eatery, 56 mini grocery, and 43 online seller. Next slide, please. Summary of demand for retail and wholesale. To get the summary of demand for retail and wholesale, the proponents calculated the data per variety of Rice Express of once a week, twice a week, once a month, and twice a month of monthly and yearly demand for retail and wholesale. To sum it up, monthly demand for retail and wholesale is 6,941 and 93,768 for the yearly demand of retail and wholesale. Next slide, please. Gap analysis. The proponents calculated the market forecast for demand per year total of 478,790. Next is the market forecast for supply per year, total of 187,496. To get the gap analysis, demand minus the supply equals to gap for a total of 291,293.37. Company demand from gap. To determine the company demand from gap, divide the gap by the total number of Rice Express competitors, which is 9 plus 1 the Rice Express itself, for a total of 29,129. It is equivalent to company demand from gap. Next slide, please. Projected sales. To determine projected sales, multiply the frequency by the company demand from gap per year. The yearly sales are equal to the quantity per year multiplied by the selling price. So the total yearly sales are calculated by adding the annual sales of each retail and wholesale variation. In the year 2022, Rice Express will have 1,562,365.37, and the following years of projected sales will increase at 1.5%. Next presenter, please.
Good day. I am Esther Joy Inguito. Will be discussing the Chapter 3 technical aspect. Next slide, please. The business operation. The first step is the manager will purchasing raw materials. Next is receiving and sorting the raw materials. Then, cleaning and sanitizing the work area. Next is mise en place, followed by combining all the ingredients, and portioning and weighing the products. Then, molding the products, followed by cooking the dishes, and then resting the product, and second to the last is packaging. And lastly is selling the product. Next slide, please. Selling operation. Customers will arrive at the kiosk. The customer will next place his or her order at the counter. Following that, the production crew will receive the customer's order. The buyer will pay using the method of their choice. The staff will repeat the order as well as the total. The personnel will also handle the payment method. The customer will be issued a receipt, and then the customer will be given unique number by the production personnel to claim their order. Lastly, customer will go to the counter to pick up their order. Next slide, please. Plan office layout. This is the production place layout of Rice Express, and the kiosk production area will also be the production location. This is the kiosk layout. The materials that are used to make the kiosk are called Balochina wood. The proponents decided to use this to make the kiosk because this wood is popular for making stores or kiosks. It is durable and easy to make, and it attracts and has a pleasant ambience for customers. It is also a budget-friendly materials. So this is the front view of the kiosk. For the width is 2.4 meters and 40 centimeters long and 2 meters long, also 75 centimeters long. For the top view of kiosk, 2.4 meters width. This is a view from above of the kiosk and the production appliances. And the kiosk from the side, as you can see, it will be personalized to meet the desired layout. The design is minimal to maintain the store's pleasant appearance. So, for the Chapter 4, next presenter, please.
Thank you, Ms. Inguito. And for the presenting of the Chapter 4 management aspect, I am Kwinie Joy A. Paculan. In the pre-operational plan show the activities that the proponents do to start the business. In each week or month, they've done an activity such as envision of the product, product trial, food testing, and so on. The proponent decided to this kind of schedule to do the activities needed in opening a business, such as starting and searching, canvassing, purchasing, and checking the location. And for the organizational structure, the general partnership will be used in the Rice Express business since the proponents are the one who will manage the business. All the partners are responsible for the company, and all the proponents have a position in the business. The general partnership structure is the best fit for the business since the Rice Express is the starting small business. And for the Chapter 5, the financial aspect will be discussed by Alyssa Molar.
Hello everyone, I am Alyssa Molar and I am going to discuss the financial aspect of Rice Express. Next slide, please. This is the projected income statement of Rice Express. For the first year of 2022, the projected sales of Rice Express is at 1,562,365.37. The cost of goods sold is at 341,547.64. To be able to get the gross profit, sales less cost of goods sold is equal to gross profit, which amount to 1,222,790.73. According to the BMBE law, the business is subject to pay business tax at 3% of the gross profit. The summation of the total operating expenses of Rice Express is amount at 686,210.75. The net income before tax is at 534,579.98. The income tax is zero because according to the BMBE law, all BMBEs shall be exempt from tax-free income arising from the operations of the enterprise. The net income after tax is amounting to 534,578.98. Starting from the year of 2023 to 2027, the projected sales, cost of goods sold, business tax, and other operating expense of Rice Express is growing at 1.05%. This is according to the population growth rate of the location of the business, which is the Barangay Kapasigan. And that is the end of our presentation. Again, we are the Group 7 of Rice Express. Thank you.